Therefore, they cannot be seen by naked eyes. We cannot see the particles of solution by our naked eyes. In sugar solution, we cannot see the sugar particles. Or in salt solution, we cannot see the salt particles by our naked eyes. When sugar is completely dissolved in water, we cannot see the sugar particles. Like the similar way, in a solution, the particles are very small, that is smaller than 1 nanometer in diameter, and therefore they cannot be seen by naked eyes. The particles of a solution do not scatter beam of light. When I am passing a beam of light through a solution, the particle cannot scatter that beam of light, which simply means that scattering is not possible through the solution. When a beam of light is passing through solution, the particle does not scatter that beam of light. Now, when explaining the solution, we have to explain concentrated solution and dilute solution. Simply, solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Solute plus solvent gives a solution, that is, solute is the component which is present in small quantity and solvent is the component which is present in large quantity in a solution. Then we have concentrated solution and dilute solution. Now I am going to explain what a concentrated solution and what do we mean by dilute solution. Concentrated solution simply means that if in a solution the solute concentration is high, then the solution is called as concentrated solution. That is, solute concentration is high. Solute concentration is high. If the solute concentration is high, then the solution can be called as concentrated solution. Then we are having dilute solution. Dilute solution. In dilute solution, the solute concentration is low. The solute concentration is low. If the solute concentration is low, then we can say that the solution is dilute solution. Now, if you are getting a question, differentiate between concentrated solution and dilute solution, then you can write a concentrated solution is a solution in which the solute concentration is high, and a dilute solution is a solution in which the solute concentration is low. Now you hear 2-3 times the term concentration, and you are having a doubt in your mind that what is concentration? What is the concentration of a solution? Or why we are using the term concentration here? So, for clearing your doubt, I have to explain concentration, the term concentration too. Concentration of a solution. Now I am going to explain concentration of a solution. Concentration of a solution. Concentration of a solution is defined as the amount of solute present in a given amount of solvent or solution. Given amount of solvent or solution, both are right. Concentration of a solution concentration of a solution is defined as concentration of a solution is defined as the amount of solute present in a given amount of solvent or solution. Concentration of a solution is defined as the amount of solute present in a given amount of solvent or solution. Then we can write concentration of a solution is equal to amount of solute by amount of solvent or solution. Now it's clear to you what the term concentration means. Concentration of a solution means the amount of solute present in a given amount of solvent or solution. Just the solution, it is okay. Amount of solute present in a given amount of solution. Then concentration can be written as concentration of a solution is equal to amount of solute divided by amount of solution. Then we are having two means to express or two ways to express or two methods to express the concentration of a solution. We are having two methods to express the concentration of a solution. First one is mass by mass percentage. The first method to explain or first method to write the concentration is mass by mass percentage. Mass by mass percentage. Mass by mass percentage is mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. And the second method is mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage is mass by volume percentage is defined as mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. These are the two ways to express concentration of a solution. Concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution. That is amount of solute divided by amount of solution. We are having two ways or two methods to express the concentration of a solution. First one is mass by mass percentage. That is mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. For converting it into percentage, we multiply it with 100. Then mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage is equal to mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. That's all about concentration of solution. Now, you are familiar with the term concentration of a solution and the ways to express concentration of a solution. The remaining topics in our chapter, this chapter is colloids and suspension. We have to define colloid and its properties, suspension and its properties. Moving to the next topic, our next topic is colloids. These are mixtures. Colloids and suspension, category of mixtures. Colloids are mixtures with particular sizes from 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. In colloids, the particle sizes ranges from 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. These are mixtures. Mixtures are simply two or more particles combined together or substances combined together to form mixtures. We are having homogeneous mixtures or heterogeneous mixtures. In colloids, Colloids are also mixtures, but here the particle size ranges from 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. If the particle sizes ranges from 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer, and if they are mixtures, then they can be called as colloids. Like the similar way we explain solution, we can explain colloids too. In solution, we are having solute and solvent. In colloids, we are having dispersed phase and dispersion medium. In solution, solute plus solvent gives solution. But in case of colloids, we can say that dispersed phase plus dispersion medium gives colloids. Dispersed phase plus dispersion medium gives colloids. Clear? The component of colloid present in small amount is called dispersed phase, like the same solute in solution. Solute is the substance which is present in small amount in a solution. Here in colloids, the dispersion medium is the substance which is present in small amount. The component of a colloid present in small amount is called dispersed phase. And the medium in which colloidal particles disperse is the dispersion medium. And remember the two terms, dispersed phase and dispersion medium. The component which is present in small amount is the dispersed phase, and the medium in which the dispersed phase, the colloidal particles or dispersed phase disperse is the dispersion medium. The medium in which colloidal particles disperse, that means in small amount we are having dispersed phase, and this dispersed phase disperses in a dispersion medium. Then simply we can say that dispersed phase plus dispersion medium forms a colloid. Colloid comprises of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. In colloidal system, particles are always suspended. That means it do not settle down. It's always in a suspended form. It does not settle down. This constant colliding of particles in continuous motion is called Brownian movement. Remember the term Brownian movement. When considering a colloidal system, here the particles are always in a suspended form. It does not settle down. So in suspended form, the particle constantly collides with each other.